Hello again. Yeah, it's just a quick little update. I say quick, they tend to last about 10 or 15 minutes. Yeah, I've got the Fender Extender off, heated it up over the gas, bent it back and it splits. It's gone funny because I've had it on the bike for about 5 years. And also melting it didn't help. And I found that. It's a video, hi-fi, extra high-grade TDK video case. I used to do this when I had a mountain bike. When my 125 got stolen, I had a mountain bike for a short while, but it nearly bloody killed me. I get to work and I could feel pulsing back in my head. That's when I worked at GEC. So I got shut. But yeah, it's not exactly strong plastic, and I imagine it might rip there, but we'll see how it goes. I cut round it using a bowl dish. Originally it was down here and I just put it to the back and it's nearly touching the bloody exhaust, so I made it an inch shorter. Yeah, I've just got my Aldi riveter out. Got 3 little rivets. And someone was saying, don't buy that £50 drill from Aldi. Well, I went down and it had gone. But these, I think, is what makes that. From Woolworths. Powercraft. I got one from Woolworths years ago. I'm not sure if it was this or the other one. And the batteries are just crap. I don't know if it's a memory effect or whether they just deteriorate, but if I put that on charge, it'll go bleh. And despite a so-called full charge, it just won't turn. So the batteries are just designed to fail, so you have to buy another complete unit. What's that thing I tell you about? Tools are available without batteries. So you can just swap them about and it makes them cheaper. Wrong collet. Yes it is. Hand tight, no it isn't. Oh, it's a faff around getting a spanner. £10 that I think. Yeah, because I want to make a hole through both of the plastics. And I'll fit a washer. I've only used this once. And I made the mistake of these are aluminium rivets, and I made the mistake of using some other rivets. I think they were stainless and it strained the mechanism inside here, not a good idea. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've just been looking on eBay and there's in Spain there's a carbon fibre one, and then there's Puig plastics, and then pyramid plastics, which I think this was, and someone said could do with being a bit longer. If you're going to make a Fender Extender, make it this bloody long to keep all the crap off the pipes and the radiator. I'll put some washers on. I've got some big washers. I'll knock this off, I just thought I'd mention it, and after I think I'll squidge either Gorilla Glue or black silicone. I've got some left. Black silicone from B&M Bargains down here. And see how it goes. If it falls to bits I'll just scrap it and get another. Well, I'll wash all that crap off as well. It did have foam thingies on. I'll replace that after I've washed the gunk off. There's going to be no time to go anywhere. Oh, excuse me. 5 to 1. That's why I'm always late setting off for rides. I'm always faffing about, but wouldn't be necessary if it wasn't melted, would it? Know what I mean, son, eh? Bye for now. Nothing else is. No,